Well, in the whirlwind of artificial intelligence developments, there are a few important stories that flew under the radar but are definitely worth catching up on. So, without delay, let's dive into some of the top stories you won't want to overlook. Meta Smart Glasses. Starting with Meta Smart Glasses, Meta's latest smart eyewear collaboration with EssilorLuxottica has been a hit, flying off the shelves faster than they can restock. Timed perfectly for the sunny season, they're expanding their Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses line with fresh designs, tailored to fit a wider range of face shapes, ensuring everyone can find their ideal match. Alongside the new styles, they're rolling out additional features, including enhancements to Meta AI, aiming to elevate the glasses' functionality even further. If you're not familiar with these glasses, think of them as what Google Lens initially aimed to be. Essentially, they're glasses equipped with a built-in camera, capable of capturing high-quality images, opening up a plethora of possibilities. This move seems like a logical progression for Meta, especially following their recent AI tool launch. Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses are packed with features, including integrated audio and an impressive ultra-wide 12MP camera. Plus, if you're in the US or Canada, you'll also enjoy Meta AI ready to help you tackle tasks, stay connected, and engage with what matters most to you. Simply say, "Hey Meta," and ask your questions or give commands. And with voice control capabilities and the power of Meta AI, you can access real-time information effortlessly. Meta initiated testing for a multimodal AI update back in December, allowing users to ask their glasses questions about their surroundings and receive smart, practical responses or suggestions. This expanded functionality, which enables your glasses to perceive what you see, is now available in beta for all Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses in the US and Canada. Imagine you're traveling and need to understand a menu written in French. Your smart glasses can utilize their built-in camera and Meta AI to translate the text for you, providing the information you need without the hassle of pulling out your phone or staring at a screen. Additionally, Meta is introducing the ability to share your view during video calls. Whether you're admiring a stunning view on a hike or capturing your child's first steps, some moments are meant to be shared. With this new feature, you can effortlessly share your perspective during video calls on WhatsApp and Messenger, all without lifting a finger. A standout feature of Meta glasses is their normalcy. They're not odd or uncomfortable. They fit nicely. What's great is you don't have to adjust to a new product. It's something familiar. While sunglasses are more common in warmer climates, you can opt for prescription lenses, making these glasses suitable for everyday wear. With the Ray-Ban Remix platform offering numerous custom frame and lens combinations, you can personalize your glasses to reflect your style. Llama 3. And that's not all from Meta. They have unveiled Llama 3, the latest iteration of its cutting-edge open-source large language model, or LLM. According to the tech giant, Llama 3 sets new performance standards, outpacing previous top-tier models like GPT 3.5 in real-world scenarios. We aim to create the best open models with Llama 3, matching the quality of today's leading proprietary models, stated Meta. Initially, Llama 3 is available in 8 billion and 70 billion parameter versions, with larger 400 billion plus parameter models in the pipeline for release in the coming months. Meta's teams have dedicated significant resources over 2 years to curating high-quality training data, expanding distributed training capabilities, refining model architecture, and implementing innovative instruction fine-tuning methods. The 70 billion parameter instruction fine-tuned model from Meta has demonstrated superior performance compared to GPT 3.5, Claude, and similar LLMs in human evaluations across various critical usage scenarios, such as coding, reasoning, and creative writing. Meta has also rolled out an updated suite of AI safety tools alongside its latest models, including the second iterations of Llama Guard for risk classification and CyberSec Eval for assessing potential misuse. Additionally, a new feature called Code Shield has been introduced to filter out insecure code suggestions during inference. Emphasizing a system-level approach to responsible AI development and deployment with Llama 3, Meta highlights the extensive safety testing undergone by the models. However, the company stresses the importance for developers to implement their own input and output filtering tailored to their application's needs. Meta's flagship end-user product, which incorporates Llama 3, is Meta AI. Users can interact with Meta AI across various platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger, and the web, catering to productivity, learning, creativity, and general inquiries. Adobe Firefly V3. Now, during its Max event in London, Adobe unveiled a major upgrade to its AI system, Firefly. Version 3 of this platform marks a significant leap forward from previous versions, boasting the capability to create highly realistic images with a broader range. Having churned out over 7 billion images in the past year alone, Adobe Firefly is now rolling out its version 3, currently in beta. These updates, accessible via the Firefly web app, promise substantial improvements in quality and control, offering better image generation, improved prompt comprehension, and increased detail and diversity. Adobe's latest Firefly model achieves unprecedented levels of photorealism, enhancing lighting, positioning, attention to detail, text display, and more. The term photorealistic seems fitting, given the strides made in lighting, positioning, detail, and text display. Until now, Firefly struggled to match its peers in generating lifelike images. But with this update, that's no longer the case. The latest update introduces 2 new features: Structure Reference and Style Reference. Structure Reference enables users to create new images that align with the overall structure of a reference image, streamlining the process and reducing trial and error when crafting prompts. Meanwhile, Style Reference enhances Firefly's output quality, granting users more customization options and control over the generated content. Moreover, these tools can be combined for even more versatility. Adobe Firefly is trained on licensed content, including Adobe stock, to ensure that the generated content meets commercial standards while respecting copyright and other intellectual property rights, such as trademarks and logos. Adobe employs a comprehensive review and moderation process to detect and remove any content that violates its policies. Additionally, Adobe provides IP indemnification to customers for content generated through Firefly, offering peace of mind regarding intellectual property concerns. Microsoft Fi 3. Just days ago, Microsoft dropped Fi 3. Now, if you haven't been keeping up, the Fi series is all about these super tiny but super powerful models that Microsoft's been cooking up. These little guys are like wizards at what they do, especially when it comes to handling top-notch synthetic data. Fi 3 Mini, in particular, has garnered attention for its outstanding performance, surpassing benchmarks and demonstrating superiority over models of similar and larger sizes, especially with big players like India's ITC jumping on board. It's clear that Microsoft is dead set on bringing the hottest AI tech to the table. Fi 3 Mini is earning its stripes across the board, acing language tasks, logic puzzles, coding challenges, you name it. It's the secret sauce behind AI gems like ChatGPT and Gemini, handling all sorts of tricky language stuff from sorting texts to boiling down documents. Microsoft's Fi 3 Mini enriches the landscape of high-quality language models available to developers, offering practical solutions for developing generative AI applications. With a parameter count of 3.8 billion, Fi 3 Mini provides 2 variants with varying context lengths, allowing developers to customize AI experiences to suit specific requirements. Its instruction-tuned design ensures straightforward usability, making it accessible across diverse scenarios. Microsoft claims that its Fi 3 small language model, or SLM, surpasses models of similar size by excelling in language, reasoning, coding, and math benchmarks. This makes it particularly suitable for developers requiring repetitive usage of specific functions, rather than employing an entire large language model. Microsoft has made Fi 3 Mini available on platforms such as Azure AI Studio, Hugging Face, and Ollama. Developers can leverage this SLM to incorporate tailored AI features into their software. With support for tokens ranging from 4K to 128K, Fi 3 Mini is optimized for NVIDIA's GPUs and Windows DirectML, ensuring broad compatibility across different systems. Its instruction-tuned design enables seamless deployment in various software environments, with the ability to follow contextual instructions. Moreover, it can be implemented locally on mobile devices, eliminating the need for an active connection to cloud servers. Apple's Realm system. Apple's latest advancement in AI is aimed at competing with OpenAI's GPT products and could potentially enhance your interactions with virtual assistants like Siri. The new system, named Realm, Reference Resolution as Language Modeling, is designed to comprehend ambiguous on-screen images, content, and conversational context, thereby facilitating more natural interactions with AI. According to the researchers behind it, the new Apple system surpasses other large language models, such as GPT-4, in deciphering context and understanding linguistic expressions references. Unlike more complex systems like OpenAI's GPT series, Realm is considered by researchers as an ideal choice for a context deciphering system that can operate on-device without compromising performance. For instance, if you ask Siri to display a list of local pharmacies and then instruct it to call the one on Fifth Avenue or call the bottom one, Realm can better discern the context required to execute such tasks compared to GPT-4, which might prompt for additional information. Midjourney. Midjourney also recently made a big announcement about their AI expansion plans. They're diving into new territories like 3D modeling, video creation, and real-time simulations that could essentially recreate the whole world. This news came out during one of their recent Q&A sessions on Discord, where the company leaders answered questions from users about what's next for the platform. There have been whispers for a while now that Midjourney was looking beyond just images, and this latest reveal seems to confirm that they're moving towards building a complete world simulation. Alongside enhancing existing features like image descriptions and consistent characters, they're developing new models. While the specifics are still a bit hazy, Midjourney hints at creating a virtual space where users can design video games or shoot movies, an open-world sandbox. On the surface, it sounds like a modern take on the metaverse, a fully connected network of virtual environments where people can work, play, and socialize. But it seems like more than just that. It's a novel approach to content creation across the board. Think about crafting entire virtual worlds where future sci-fi blockbusters could be filmed without the hefty price tag of traditional VFX tools. That wraps up today's video. What's running through your mind? Are you amped up about all this, or are you feeling like things are spinning out of control? If you enjoyed the video, show some love by giving it a thumbs up and hitting subscribe. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay safe and goodbye.